9 days left to Christmas, so it's the time for some shopping for my family and stuff like this one. So for this occasion I'm gonna show you the old Brewery, which is the shopping mall right now, and the walking street, which is Półwiejska street here in Poznań. And this is this kind of time of the year. Many of you probably are busy, but if you're watching, big thumb up. I really appreciate it. Let's go. That's the one of the wing of the mall full of the Christmas decorations, and there actually is food court. And as you can see, 3 floors. It's 4:30 Friday afternoon, so it's still good time to make this video because in 1 hour, 2 hours gonna be overcrowded here. But yeah, still it's okay. After 5 it will be very bad, and tomorrow will be disaster. I will show you the food court actually there, and of course this is like a smaller wing of the mall. There are some food options, of course, Kentucky one, Asian Express with the buffet, so it's very cool. Like I said, actually we will have a lot of food options everywhere around. Actually the authentic food, salad story, and nice, actually pretty cool stuff here. Of course there will be McDonald's at the back, Marsha Espresso, something like this one, so you can buy yourself fish and chip and stuff, and of course the Chinese food and macas. So here you go. This food looks actually pretty decent, I'm gonna tell you. But let's go outside. I will show you the walking street, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the main wing of the mall. But this one is cool anyways. This is the beginning of the walking street. There is McDonald's, and this is Półwiejska street, and this is where I'm heading today. But this is the Stary Mark, what last time I filmed, and also if you go there where I'm facing my camera is the old town in Poznań. But I made this video last time. If you're interested, I highly recommend it to check this out. But let's go here. I will show you a little bit of the raw material. This is one of my favorite brands here, McDonald's. Obviously, if you're watching me for the longer while, you should know that. And it's obviously getting to be busy. And it's cukiernia Sowa. This is actually my second favorite brand here. This one is for food, one is for coffee. Of course, I'm joking with the first one. It's just the situational joke. But overall, I'm telling you, this is the walking street, and it's getting busier. Continuation is there. This is the mall over there. This is where I'm heading. Just wanted to show you a little bit. There's Istanbul doner kebab and some craft beers. Also a lot of shopping options. If you're not gonna find something here in the mall, at the end of the video, definitely you would find. Except that, some interesting architecture here and there. This is one-way road here. Also in Poland, the cars have to stop when you're crossing the street. So if you're a pedestrian, you are the boss somehow, which is good and bad at the same time. Depends how you are looking at this. For me, good and bad because I'm doing both things often. So yeah, at least I'm honest. And this is pierożak. This is they making pierogi inside. Also gonna show you a very nice warm. Here we go. Ladies making pierogi here. Here we go. Hello. Yes, nice pierogi. Cars here are not allowed, but maybe he did some delivery using Mercedes, perhaps. Actually, yeah, they opening the shop, so maybe he got permission to park the car here. However, overall, you cannot drive here anything. As you can see, no motorbikes, no cars, no even bicycles. However, bicycles for food delivery, yes, they are allowed, but they are just some of them. Like somebody lived there. Here, overall, this is it. Cool. Oh, this one shop for rent here. Yes, and candy shops and everything, decorations. Christmas socks here perhaps, and over kebabs, and banks and stuff like this one. Mall is at the end of the street. It's about maybe 800 meters, maybe 1 kilometer long straight. Oh, here we go. He's delivering Glovo, the food for plenty of food options as well here. This is like a city center of Poznań, obviously, so will be a lot of everything here. Don't know what's going on here, but this mannequin, the people waiting on the street to get inside this restaurant, maybe it's nice. Check this out, people waiting outside. Cool, it's busy. Here we go. Also, quite a lot of you guys text me recently, as Damian, while you are already in Poland, maybe finally you're gonna get some proper job. because I know some people really don't like it as I'm just walking and drinking coffee every day and making videos, because I understand that not everybody understands this is actually full-time job. I have a good and bad news for you. Good news is that I'm on the progress of opening my own company. So I'm gonna work, but unfortunately or fortunately, I'm not gonna work for anybody. But maybe in this particular case, I will have an opportunity to give the job for somebody to support Polish market. But I will share more about this stuff later, when I'm done. Should be till end of the year. I hope so I can make it. And actually, I'm not gonna lie, I'm very, very excited as I'm gonna open some business here. So bear with me, I'm gonna let you know when it's ready. Some game world and everything, and some more restaurants here. There is some Italian Roma and stuff. And then at the front of me is something with the flag. This one is South African flag, if I'm not mistaken. So a lot of interesting businesses everywhere around, and you can get also some nice donuts and stuff here. A lot of very cool stuff in general you can find, but this is big city life, and Poland have a lot of selections of cool stuff, that's for sure. There are also so many nice boutiques here recently with the fashion for the winter though. This is the walking street obviously, and now is the time to show you the mall, which is this one. It was the old brewery buildings here. This is from the 19th of century actually, and now it's just the mall. I filmed recently previously, but I'll show you around, especially this is Christmas times. And this wagon of tram here is transformed into coffee shop, coffee to go. That's the one of the entrances to the mall. There is the junction already, end of the street. Here for some reason is the erotic store, but in Poland this stuff is totally legal. And here we have an apartment Półwieska 37, which is like a place where you could rent yourself like an apartment or hotel perhaps. Also there are many hotels branded. There's Sheraton, Hiltons everywhere around. Even in the mall there is one hotel. But let's get inside now. There's some sort of very cool doggo here, check this out. Like a Ishai doggo from Australia though. The glasses I like. Okay, let's get inside. I started my video today somewhere there on the top. That's the decorations, obviously. The ceiling is very high. That's the old wing, like a smaller one. Some shops also as well. There's Starbucks, Douglas and stuff. I will show you. This mall is actually divided by 3 sections. This is section number 1, and Starbucks is a lot of Starbucks in Poland as well. Okay, let's get up. There are some shops as well here. McDonald's food court. Just wanted to let you know how does it look like. Some shops there will be Nike and New Yorker. And then if you go here, there will be like a courtyard, which is half closed because it's winter, but it's definitely worth to show you. Basically, courtyard is outside, but it's closed. But inside, there are still some shops and the restaurants. So it's chilly. It's not warm, but it's not cold. And still you can enjoy the outdoor sitting in the restaurants or sit inside. And in the normal circumstances, when it's no winter or anything like this one, there will be entrance outside. But the seats actually full covered with the blankets and everything and the Christmas trees. And of course, previously you could be outside. This is actually where I started to this video. And for some reasons, I'm not gonna lie, since I first time came to Poznan, this mall is one of my very favorite one. Of course, they are better and bigger malls, maybe better, maybe not, but bigger malls. But this one is definitely my favorite one. It's also perfect location in the city center, so it's highly recommended. And it's just simply very cool. A lot of people here basically. Actually, I don't know what's going on. So Dziedziniec is courtyard. This is the other side and other entry. Fancy sports outfit shop. And that's the modern and bigger wing of the mall. This is like a main wing actually. Show you a little bit around. 3 floors though. On the 3rd floor actually there are so many mobile phones and some travel companies. Decorations are pretty the same as you can see. This one is definitely more into boutique mall. It's not huge like a previous one, but definitely once you get here, you have everything in the walking distance. You have technically an old town, the walking street, the mall, everywhere in the central location you can find here. So you can Google Old Brewery. I think it's the English version as well, or the Stary Browar. And overall, it's also pretty enjoyable and pretty cool. There is also pretty cool lift with the view of the main entrance though. Down there is also Costa coffee. If you don't like Starbucks, the Costa, if not Costa, Sowa Cukiernia, which is Polish brand. And of course some exhibitions. Now is the some bazaar little bit. You can buy like in proper mall. So everything here is pretty cool. A lot of shopping options. Not too crowded. Definitely the previous mall is busier. And it's totally different architecture, different kind of mall. But regarding the coffee in Poland, I will support the Cukiernia Sowa, which is the Polish brand. Pretty good coffee, cakes, you know, if you're in Poland you can support. I know I always support the Starbucks and Costa if I'm traveling, but in Poland I try to support something different. But actually it's really good, highly recommended. Not paid endorsement though. Okay, it's going to be windy a little bit and dark for some reason. I'm looking for some light, like a Christmas tree or something. Thanks so much for watching today. Merry Christmas everyone. Still I will see you on next video. Yeah, like I said at the beginning of the video, if you like the content, big thumb up, it helps me a lot. If you haven't subscribed yet you can do it now. Recently I'm in Poland and in general in Europe. See you on next one. See ya, take care.